Oh my goodness, you can see how deep the snow is. Oh, great. Well, I guess the groundhog did not see its shadow, so another 6 more weeks of winter. Yee-hee. Or yee-haw, I would say. Alright everyone, so time for another snowblowing video. So at least 20 or 30 centimeters has fallen, so that's about 10 to 12 inches of snow. So I don't think my Mastercraft is going to be taking all the snow, so I did promise I was going to film the Toro Snowblower, and that's what we'll do. So I'm going to go put on some snow pants and we'll get started. Well, there's the car, little muffin, and you can tell how much snow that they plowed. I'm not sure if you can actually see how deep it is. It's from there to here. Jeez. Alright, it's the first cold start since forever. It's the Toro 1028. Oh, look at that. That baby's starting first full. Tecumseh Snow King with an overhead valve. still thawing here. Another couple more centimeters. And it's going to go towards the weekend. And not bad considering I just got a snow day and don't have to work today, so that's pretty cool. Pretty rare that you get snow days here. What an amazing machine. Alright, so now that the majority of the house is cleared, I just gotta do my neighbor. So I'll end with a cold start on this one since it's been a while since we last featured it. Okay. Another one pull wonder. Oh. Not too bad. Oh well. You win some, you lose some. Alright, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you like it, and stay tuned for a new tarantula video. I just got one of my teas that just molted, so I'll show it to you.